Great job. Okay, I'm at Green Meadows Apartments on Keith Harrow to determine the direction of flow on the sanitary line off of Building 3. We did determine we do have a high side clean out outside of the property, which just blows me away. I've never seen it before. Okay, we're gonna have a slight little turn. Dude, fucking full of grease again? There's shit on it. Damn it. Okay, again, Green Meadow Apartments off Keith Harrow. We did determine there is a 4-inch clean out outside of the property that 90s into the property. The only thing that could be tied to it is this building, number 3, which comes out the front and is going to make a right-hand turn towards the office. Going? Okay. Stand by. Going? Yeah. Okay, we've traced this line all the way over to the main at the,
Get the camera. They're using it for grip.
I know, oh. Wouldn't it be nicer to have better grip? Only thing we could think of was we've got a backside clean out here off this run off of building 3. Craziest thing I've ever seen. We are going to be hard capping this 4-inch clean out outside of the property in the open culvert area. See, I got a belly right there. Oh, what's that? What's that? Straight, 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 straight. See, but I go into a belly, so I can't really tell. You know what I mean? So the only thing I could think of is a backside clean out on that, which does not make sense at all. Oh. But again, we are going to hard cap that because we'll be able to do any stoppages off of building 3. This is the only building that comes off of this line. Apparently, whoever was cutting the weeds back there cut the female adapter and plug off, so when the line did back up, it backed up out there instead of into the buildings, or into building 3. I will be giving this to the office for them to download. Again, we are going to put a hard cap on that 4-inch clean out.